Having a little spin around my Asian stroke Chinese supermarket, which is fabulous. Picking up some pork to make this pork Pak Choy and coconut. It really is delicious. Let's get moving. So in my wok, I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil, getting that hot. We're going to take our pork loin, really beautiful cut here. Thick cut as well. We're going to drop that all in. There's about 700 grams in total of this, by the way. Okay, so that's just been about 2 minutes. What we're going to do now is drop it in a cup of sliced onions. Got some red chilies here. I'm just using 3. Just slip them open so their flavour comes out. About a tablespoon of chunky sliced cut ginger. Some black pepper. Get some salt in the mix. And let's go for about another 4 or so minutes. High heat. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Beautiful stuff. Now, pork loin will cook really quickly, by the way. Okay, I've got some sesame oil here. Going to give that a nice little drizzle in there. Give it a nice nutty flavour. Soy sauce. I'm using a light soy. 2 to 3 tablespoons in the mix there. Use dark if you want. Coconut milk. I've got 1 whole cup there. Little drizzle of water. 1/4 cup maybe, just to kind of thin the coconut out. And then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to lower the heat a little bit. We're not on a raging heat now. What we're going to do is we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. In goes our Bok Choi, or Pak Choy, some people call that. Fairly chunky cut. This cooks extremely quickly, so we're just going to mix that in and go for 2 to 3 minutes only. Look at that. Fabulous, fabulous stuff. Really, really good. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.